Hi, my name is Lily. I am 11 years old. I love drawing. I love animals and I hate school. This is my family. This is my dad, David. He works as a programmer.
He loves gadgets, technology, and building strange things at home.
You know it, kiddo.
Sometimes his inventions are strange.
This is my mom, Anna. She used to write children's books. Now she takes care of us.
Oh, goodness me. She is kind, but also a little clumsy.
And this is my brother, Mike. He is 7. He loves sports.
Running, jumping, climbing. Sometimes he climbs things he really should not climb. Our life was normal until one day. Mom had big news.
David, kids, come here, please.
Just a second. The smart toaster is almost ready.
What happened?
Did someone break something?
It's okay, nothing is broken.
No. I just have something to tell you. Actually, I have good news. What is that? Is that a thermometer?
No, it's a pregnancy test.
Okay, what does it do? See these 2 lines?
Yes!
That means we are having a baby!
That's amazing!
We're having a baby!
Dad is very excited. Very, very excited. I want a brother. No, we need a sister. Brothers are cooler. Sisters are smarter. Brothers run faster. Sisters draw better. Yeah.
This is wonderful news. But
But what?
we have a problem.
What problem?
Our house is small. Very small. Soon we will have 5 people here.
We need a bigger house.
And our house hunting began. Okay, house number 1. Is that a house? It's tiny. Where will I play football?
Don't worry, Mike. We can make it work.
Yeah.
Yes, we need a much bigger house.
Next house.
Wow, that house is very orange.
Very, very orange.
Maybe too orange. Next one.
Yeah, let's go.
That house looks very old. I think it will fall down. Maybe we should go closer. Are you crazy? No, absolutely not. That house is haunted. 100% haunted.
Yes, I also think ghosts live there. Definitely not that one.
Wait, look at this one.
Whoa, it has a big yard.
And look, the kitchen is perfect.
Awesome. I love it.
And a garage. Perfect for my inventions.
I think this is the one.
I can't believe it. We are moving. Our new house is so big. And the yard? I will play football every day. Ha ha ha.
Okay, team, let's start packing.
Where should I put my drawings? Careful with them. They are important.
Okay, Mom, you're doing great.
I am moving, man. This box needs a hero.
Careful, hero. Don't drop it.
This box is heavy. Hang in there, buddy. Almost there. Just a few more.
We can do it.
Got it. Great job, team. Next stop, our new house.
Ready. Let's go.
Wow, I love our new house. It's so big. Look at these windows. So much light.
And look at this space. Perfect for my inventions.
Whoa, this room is amazing. This is definitely my room.
Wow, look at this. This is perfect.
Huh?
It already feels like home. And we still have a lot of work to do.
Hello, little one. Your dad is waiting for you. Whoever you are, a boy or a girl.
I can't wait to meet you. Please come soon, baby.
When you come out, even if you are a girl, I will teach you to play football.
Anna, are you okay?
I think the baby is coming.
Okay, everyone in the car. All right, let's go.
Hurry, kids!
That's it. Good, let's go.
Fast! How long does it take to have a baby? I don't know. Maybe a long time.
Congratulations! You have a healthy baby boy!
Yes!
I got a brother. Come.
He's so tiny. What should we name him?
Super Mike Jr.
No, how about Henry? Henry Miller. I like it.